Hello guys, welcome to Dragon e-commerce YouTube channel. Today we will learn that when we send our inventory to Amazon warehouse, how we can check the status of our inventory, that when it will get live on Amazon and when listing will be active. So you have to click on here. You will see that available items are zero. These both of these listings are listed as an FBA. So you have to click on 11 hidden columns from here, and here you have to click on unfulfillable and also reserved. And when you will click on this, you have to scroll down your screen, and then you have to click on save changes, just like that. And when you will click on save changes, you will see two more columns here, unfulfillable and reserved. You can see I have sent 10 units of each product to Amazon warehouse, and I can check from here that items are in reserved, and after 1 to 2 days items will be shifted to available, and people will be able to purchase my item from Amazon. For now, listings are active, but people or customers cannot purchase the item because the items are in reserved. It means that Amazon is sending my items from one warehouse of Amazon to another warehouse. If you click on learn more, you will see here check FBA reserved inventory status. You can copy here the ASIN of your product, just like that. Here, this is called the ASIN of the product, which is also known as Amazon Standard Identification Number. Just copy the ASIN and paste it here, and click on check status. Select the ASIN and then click on next. You will see the complete detail from Amazon about your product, that when it will get active. See, it says that we completed our review and determined 10 units of your inventory, and we are transferring these 10 units from our one warehouse to second Amazon warehouse. So it will be get active in between 1 to 5 days. So you do not need to worry if your products are in reserved. They will be activated in 1 to 5 days. So this was the video about reserved inventory on Amazon. Thank you so much. If you need any other help, you can ask in comment box. Thank you.